Good morning, Chief and Chiefette. So today we're on a Triumph TR6 that's in for an enhancement detail. Jamie's joined me today. Say hi, Jamie, bud.
Hello.
So Jamie's with me. We're just literally going over getting it all safe washed, fully chemical decon, clayed. Well, Jamie will be gone by that time because he's on a mobile route today. And then I'm left with this all day now to polish her up. She's in for an enhancement detail, just trying to brighten up the paintwork a little bit. You can see it's quite dull, so we'll have it popping by the end of today. Points of interest we're going to focus on are the chrome bits, of course, all these little lovely intricate bits. So anyway, I need to get on with these wheels now and stop chatting. So this enhancement detail today on this Triumph TR6 is for a lovely client called Dave. Now Dave has owned this vehicle for over 50 years. Yes, you heard that right, 50 years, and it's still looking pretty decent to this day. So the reason we're here today is to do an enhancement detail on this car, which is the cheapest bang for buck we offer, and it's about making the customer happy. So while Jamie's completing the wheels for me, I'm going to undergo the pre-wash stage. So we've got our Poker Face Citrus pre-wash, which is diluted 10 parts water to 1 part product. So it's light dilution, and we're just going to blast it off top to bottom to get it squeaky clean, ready for the contact wash stage. Now I did have to be careful here, there's a little bit of flake in there, so you do have to be really, really cautious. So Snake Eyes Iron Fallout Remover. Now this is designed to break down non-ferrous metals, break dust that are bonded to the surface, and this is safe to use on all surfaces. As long as you're not in direct sunlight, you'll be absolutely fine. Now, shortly this will start to bleed a red colour, and you'll start to see little tiny particles there. So I like to do a safe wash while I've put Iron Fallout on the bodywork. I find that a little bit of abrasion with a wash mitt helps work the product in a lot better, and you will get better results. Now while Jamie's finishing off with what I call the bazooka, aka wash mitt, it's now time for me to get our Royal Flush detailing brushes and go around all the intricate areas in the car that the wash mitt cannot hit, and of course the exhaust tip. So Jamie's going to plough on with that one, and I'm going to plough on with the other one at the same time. Now, I didn't realise how much it's going to blast me in the face at this point, and it absolutely nailed me. Like, as you can see, Jamie seeing it.
Got some accolade on, is it coming up alright? Bit on. It is running. Chiefettes, we're going to show you our Royal Flush drying towel. Our Royal Flush drying towel, simply just lay it down on the surface like so. No pressure needed.
Give me a proper job then.
Oh. Geeks, aren't we? We're bad geeks.
The Liverpool fans, I'll let you off. I'm going for the paper now. Do you want a cup of tea when I come back?
Oh, I'd love one. Love one, please.
I'll be gone, I reckon.
Nice to meet you, Jamie.
You too.
Yeah, you'll see him again though, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'll be back.
And you're our Dan's mate, aren't you?
Yeah.
That'll do for me.
Yeah, tell him I was asking after him.
Yeah, cool.
How cool is that?
Yeah, it's a little beast.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
So you jetting off to your next job now, bro?
Yeah, I've just got full it in North.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you need to safe anything off, you've got all of it.
Yeah, you got any polish compound? I've got some, but you're not going to need it today, are you? One thing I could have done with doing though.
What?
Air drying it.
Do you want me to leave it with you?
Oh, do you not need it?
Yeah, I do.
Can't leave it with me.
Well, no, but we both need it.
So it's at this point now that we can really see what we're working with. The car's now been safe washed, chemical decon and clay barred, which I forgot to film. So Chief and Chiefettes, just a quick inspection now to see what is what on this, I'm assuming, single stage paintwork. So we have quite a lot of this, you call it chemical burn, on the car already, which is the main reason why we're here today. We've got a lot of marks all over this back rear boot. If you can see that on camera, hopefully you can. And again, this boot has certainly, by the looks of things, seen better days as well. The angles are quite hard to see what's what, but hopefully we can pick it up on camera. It's near impossible, to be honest. There we go, we can see it just about all there again. And we've got more on this side. Again, you can see it quite dramatically on the wheel arch and the side fender. And to be honest, yes, it's just an all-round blitz on the whole car. So if you think it looks good now, certainly we'll soon see what it looks like after a little tickle. We have paint transfer, which is pretty normal for single stage paint.
Look at that! You know.
Granted, yeah, it's an old car, so it really could do with wet sanding down, but you see the difference between, okay, it's just a one-stage enhancement, yeah? So it's a lot better. That is just with a medium pad and a fine polish. So I think overall, we're very happy.
My
So let's have a little 50 and get it off. Okay. So we were looking like this, but now we are looking like this.
Give me a minute, Dan.
Yeah, that's cool, mate. You got to let him warm up, haven't you?
Shit, it's a lumpy engine, you see. It sounds great once it's going.
Let me get this out of the way. I'll speak to you on the phone.
Take care. Yeah, I'll speak to you soon, Dan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look after yourself, bud.
In a minute.
So what's your first impressions, mate?
Well, I'm going to look at it now when it comes out the light, but I'm sure you've done a good job.
Yeah, it looks lovely.
It's infinitely better than it was. And if you do that treatment for me, this is my pride and joy, this one.
It's lovely.
It's in the best nick.
Yeah.
The bodywork on that's not great. It's a shame because I do that as well, but
Yeah. That's my dad's soft spot, that one, that stag. Big time, yeah. So once them wheels are done, mate, it'll be perfect then, really. Like I say, it's...
and your treatments and the wheels. I'll ring him and find out how much.
Yeah, yeah. Like I say, he's the only person I'd recommend to do your wheels, because I know he's really good.
So that's nice to know. That, you know. I'll just back it out now. I don't want to stall it.
Brings a nice smile to my face. Hey, looks alright, doesn't she?
Very nice, yeah. Made a big difference, Dan.
It does look lovely.
Made a big difference.
She sounds well, doesn't she?
Good engine, yeah. I think it's really good condition. 2.5 straight six.
Yeah. So how long have you had this car for?
Since you were 15.
Really?
Yeah, our Daniel was 15 and I got it in September 06.
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah. I've had the stag since January 09. And when I retired, 2 years March, gone, I bought that as a retirement present.
Did you? Yeah.
Well, I had two of them in the 70s. A blue one and a different yellow to this, but a lovely yellow. Two of them, I had a Triumph, I'm a Triumph man. I had a Triumph V-Test first, 2 litre straight six. Then I had two of them, 2 litre 4-cylinder but 16 valve, the first 16 valve ever produced for the road.
Yeah, yeah.
Two of them, then I got a 2.5 estate Triumph. I love Triumphs.
They are wicked, aren't they? They've got so much character.
Yeah. trying. So this was done in the 80s, this mimosa yellow it's called.
With you. 50 odd years old, it's mad, isn't it?
Yeah, the engine is sweet.
Is it, yeah?
Done 60,000 miles, but it's proper sweet.
Well, we'll get it. It sounds mega. It does sound mega.
It's a beaut. It's a beaut.
Gives you just mega smile. Like, gives me goosebumps. Look at that. It's so cool, man. Oh, well, thank you for allowing me to polish her.
Thanks for doing it.
Honestly, mate.
And you're back next week for me sprint.
That one's getting done
Do a
next.
good job for that.
Well, we'll get it in the book, obviously, for coatings. That one's next. Then, obviously, Dan's getting his done as well, isn't he? Keeping me busy, mate.
Well, that's it.
Eh?
I believe in keeping people you know busy.
I appreciate that, mate, honestly.